She's got it. There we go. Let's get for this side actually. Oh. Oh. Oh, a bit of a trot going on everywhere. Millie not wanting to trot, Emily. Oh, look at these horses. There's a horsey coming the other way. Trotting, I'm going to be left behind. And I'm getting left behind. I'm sure I'll survive. And I'm left behind again. Listen to them. Super. Don't like to talk too much in these videos because the girls are trying to concentrate. I don't want to spook the horses. Off the trot again. Yeah, way ahead. I'll catch up though. Just keep going steady, you keep catching up. Isn't it just beautiful down in this place, guys? Absolutely beautiful. Here's my girl. Look, 1, 2, 3 in with Millie. And a lovely horse, he's just waiting, look. Hey, hey guys. Hey guys. Hey, hello darling. Hey, hello darling. Hey, hello baby, hello. Hello, aren't you just lovely? Hey, aren't you just lovely? Hey, good. Yeah, so just real quick guys, Emily's still in the stables there, but I'm just checking out their setup for this electric fence tape. Look, it goes all the way along. It looks absolutely straightforward. I mean, they've got a car battery onto their energizer there, earth it to the ground, and then the red wire up. That's another bit I was wanting to look at, because we've got one of them as well. Looking pretty good though guys, I don't think we're going to have much of a problem with this. yeah, look at the size of this man, eh? He's a lovely boy. He's a lovely boy.
Are you in campfires? Because I've never seen you.
I know, he's a big boy, isn't he? I don't know, are you new? You're lovely.
I don't think your name's on
A
your
lovely big baby, aren't you? Yeah. Always like this, like, and scratches under the neck, looking under their throat, just there,
Yeah,
like.
big boy.
I'm gonna have one like
Just
you.
imagine riding you.
Let's take you home. Hey, you be a beautiful boy. He's all by yourself. Oh. Hello, darling. Hey, just all by yourself. What's happening? Yeah, what's happening?
Okay.
You always like that, don't you? You like your wee scratches underneath. Oh, now they're coming around. Just wonder if these are customer horses, you know? Don't know. Hello, gorgeous. You remember us, don't you? You remember Emily? Yeah, so you get these hooks. Got some of those hay bags, haven't we? Just like 2 or 3, haven't we? So all the brushes. Yeah, all that. Hey, Missy. Oh. But Emily's had you a lot, hasn't she? Yeah. She's had you a lot, darling. Macy. Don't worry, when Emily gets on horses, she will not forget us. Oh, what's wrong? Is that when they don't like something, isn't it? Is that Ria? Oh, no, Ria. I haven't seen you for ages either. Yeah, I haven't seen you for a while, Ria. So we've got photos of you going to go up on Emily's wall. And Zara. So we've got photos of you we're going to put you on Emily's wall, aren't we? The one with her, I think, isn't we? For your wall. Yeah, you in this field all by yourself? Are you? You in the field all by yourself, darling? Yeah? All by yourself? And look at that, they've eaten it right down. I know, look how flat it is, it's eaten right down, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's what your field's going to look like. Oh, she's off. You don't like that electric fence, do you, darling? I bet you've touched it before. Right guys, we just stopped to put on the vlogging camera. We're just heading out to the Clodagh to fire David's new Glock 17, get it?
Well, it's not really new. We got it in August, but you still have not fired it.
I am firing it for the first time today. Yeah.
And it's what, like the 11th?
Yeah. And there's the windmills up there, like the jet power. That's where Glen Latrick is, up top. We'll have to go exploring one day, eh, son?
Yeah.
Oh. And so we're back in our Land Rover as well, which is cool. Yeah, you're missing old Frank. Needing him for all the jobs. Let's do this thing. Yeah, so we'll just head up to the campy. Just a five minute walk up. And of course this road is closed because of the bridge now.
Starting to break.
Yeah, the bridge is just too old.
It was before 7.5 tons and over, then 3.5 tons and over, and then just nothing.
Yeah. Right, so let's pull in. We'll have to lock up as well, won't we?
Yep.
Yeah, he's looking good. I'll have to zip that roof tent on properly, son, look. It's not zipped on properly, you see, that should be down like that. Problem with that is it starts to ruin the cover, doesn't it, son? Yeah. Frank's doing okay though? Oh yeah, so the river's a lot higher, guys, look. So we're actually getting a good flow through there now. Compared to when the kids were there. Look at, even there's loads of water coming down now, look at that. That's an electrical cable, yeah. There we go, yeah, the undergrowth is really starting to drop now, look. It's nothing like what it was, not the same amount of insects either, which is good. Yeah, you can see even the river's quite high. Well, higher than it was. It's not even up to full height again.
Hi! Like about 4 inches.
But like, there's no way you could see the campy through that. Like, it is just hidden.
Now let's go to my brick.
And there's the campy, you guys. Like, our little entrance in here. Goodness me, you couldn't find this place if you tried. Hey. And there's our cans. Now we left a couple of cans up here because they're really good for when you're filming. You know, they make a nice noise and you can see it moving for the camera, so it's awesome. So there we are, I've just put the Coke can on, see where that V comes down. David's just loading just now, weren't you, son? He's just loading up the Glock. And we'll leave the M4 just for the minute. I want to have a wee shot of the Glock first, eh, son?
Tool. That's my tool.
That's the way to do it, sonny boy. That's the mag all filled up. Now just a bit of the green gas. 3 seconds.
You got to need to pull this thing.
Oh, of course I forgot about that bit, yeah. Try 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Right, so let's see, he's going to do a couple of test fires. Oh! Here he goes. Yes. Whoa!
Hit the bar to the tree.
Yay! Oh yeah!
That's it.
Nice! Let's see, and of course the slide goes back on this thing, guys, look.
Yep.
So slide goes back, which is awesome. Right, Daddy's turn?
Yep.
Cool. Right, so Daddy's turn, let's see. That's it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The Glock is a lot lighter, isn't it, son? A lot lighter. So David's just on load up. Daddy's getting another shock, so we just ran out of gas there on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I held it in long enough, did I?
That's on. Perfect.
That's it. Make sure they're okay. There we go. Okay. So here we go. Get this all sorted out here. There we go. Go for it, son. Go. Here he goes, look. And it goes. Nice.
Okay,
Here he goes. David has just got the worst cold. You know that? Go for it, man. Yes. Yep. That's it. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well done, son. Ah, nice. Look at that.
That one went all the way through.
Oh, it did, didn't it? A lot of the BBs actually stay in the can, don't they?
Yeah.
Right. Next time, baby. Next time. Right, so this is David just venting. Oh, it's tight.
Oh, this one you can't see.
Oh, you can't see it the same. We just did the Glock, but that's that one done.
Pistol mags always show.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's us, guys, for the minute. And we'll be back to Airsoft very soon, though, won't we, son?
Yep.
We need to buy a speed loader. We need to buy some more gas.
Some optics.
Yeah. We've still got a couple of rifles still to buy, so we're not quite there just yet.
We'll probably get 2 on Christmas.
Yeah. Well, you know something, guys? You're ripping that piece of bread to shreds, aren't you, darling? Eh? You just eat up. That is a really, really good sign. Look. I'm trying to catch him eating every time I come in, though. Go watch this, guys. Watch. Look. Oh, yes. Must be feeling well better, look. Go for it, Squawky. Squawky isn't even bothered we're standing here now, look. Just eating. That is awesome. There's Frank's back, isn't he, son? There he is, Frank's back. And we're obviously just up at the field just to finish off, you guys. So we're getting there. Goodness me, this has taken a while. I mean, we haven't been here for a week. Last time we were here, it was a week before that. You know, we're really, really getting a bit behind now. But we're really starting to get there. At the minute, Emily's horsey, obviously horsey stables. Well, it's looking pretty good. Maybe need to straighten it a bit yet. But we're doing it piece by piece, going round to straighten everything up. And basically, guys, it's because we've been building it with scrap wood. You know, ideally, goodness me, you want 2x4s and making lovely frames, 2.4 by 1.2, you know, board, whatever it is you're using. But we are trying to do this on a mega budget. So far, we haven't bought any wood. We actually haven't bought any wood yet, and you can see how kind of far on we've got. But just from lying, this corner it actually came down, you know, just the actual framework itself. But strangely enough, we managed to get it nice and straight and flush again, which is really, really good. So now we need to go down this part, look, and you can see how out we are. But we'll pull it all back in and make it all happen. And now we've got to do, I've got one post to go there in the middle, down there, then right across the top, and then we've got to put in the big joists that are going to go in, and that should be awesome, guys. So it looks like we're a million miles away. We're not. We're getting closer and closer and closer. That's the field grass all growing in now after being cut. I left that bit up there, guys, just to give us a wee bit of privacy, but it's dying off now, so I'll just cut it in time. And again, you know, this being Emily's horsey field, we'll have to cut it in half so they can eat one half, let this recover, and then vice versa. The fences are almost done. We'll put on the electric fence, and that'll be awesome, eh, son? But as always, guys, we've just got so much work to do. I mean, look at Frank. I've still got the old paintwork up on the top there, like, and paintwork over the sides and bits and pieces and the wheels. So he's got a wee bit in his son. He's got a wee bit to go. Right, so let's give you a little bit of a tour of the field, Frank. Why, eh, son? Frank style. Look, keys would be good, eh? Always good. Now we had to be careful taking our 7-seater in here, the Hugo. But Frank has no issues whatsoever in here. So I'm going to have to come back down with the trailer, eh, son, with the new trusses for the roof. We are getting there. So let's take you for a quick look.
There's where all the number 2s go.
The number 2s, yeah, the number 2s are going down in there. We'll make a shelter for them too.
Yeah.
I don't want to flatten down too much grass, but hopefully you'll see all that, guys. Look.
See all that yellow stuff on the ground? We don't want that. It makes horsey sick.
No, that's right. So yeah, we're getting there. I know it still doesn't look like much, guys. You see those tyres there? I don't know if I mentioned, but when we were up at the Birnie horse trials, I saw a horse ramp.
Yeah.
Remember?
All you have to do is just stack up some tires and just put a stick across it.
Yeah. And that's it. And of course that protects the horse's legs, you know, when you're learning, like Emily will be learning.
Yeah.
Yes, we haven't finished this gate. It's just in case we need a delivery from a lorry. A lorry won't fit through there, you see. So I've left that post open.
That's going to be like our last thing.
Right, guys, so this is us putting Birdie back. She's been in the house for 2 nights now, which is really good. Eating and drinking. Don't know if she can fly yet, but she's basically just going to let nature take its course. Hey, Dylan, you going to go for it?
There is some water down there.
Come on then. Yeah, so we've got some water. You going out? Yeah, you going to go out? Just taking a minute. Come on, girlie. You're okay. You're okay. Ooh, wants to stay in the box now. She was wanting to come out, now she wants to stay in the box. You going to go? Oh, there you go.
Is Birdie starting to come out?
Yeah, you're going to head off then. I still don't know if you can fly. But at least there's water down here.
Yeah, and over there and a bit over there.
And they mostly pick around eating stuff anyway.
Yeah, because look at all those
Gonna go
trees to go in.
Big. Oh. Not sure. You're okay. I mean, she really wants to go back. So that left wing, I wonder.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it.
I mean, there's no real predators down here. You know, in this kind of woods area.
Yeah. I don't think there would be any predators.
How you getting on, Missy?
I think there might just be deer that could hit them.
We just have to let nature take its course, guys. I think it's a broken wing. But usually the best thing to do is just a humane thing. If you do find an animal that's actually really, really hurt, is to put it out of its misery. That's what we do up here in Scotland. But this one here, she wasn't. She still looked nice and plump and everything. What do you reckon? You going for it, Mitzi? I would love to see you fly, but I don't think we're going to get that. Eh? I want to see you wandering off somewhere though. Eh? She's not going to come back over to us, is she?